Hello, today it's me, Adelia Gagne, and we're going to be making doll clothes out of socks. They're actually very easy, and you wouldn't believe that everything this doll is wearing right now was made completely out of socks, except for the shoes. So, actually they were all completely made out of one sock. Anyway, let's get to making it. First, all you need for this outfit is one sock, and I added a rubber band on the waistline to make it so that it looked like a tighter, smaller waist, but you don't need to do that. Anyway, let me just grab my scissors so we can start cutting up the sock. I got a nice Christmas pattern sock with like little stripes on it. And the first thing you need to do is cut right here, right across. That should be long enough for your 18-inch doll. It should be at least long enough to make a shirt. It might be long enough to make, yeah, that will be long enough to make a dress. And then the second step is set this aside for now. And next, we cut little armholes. Right here, see? And then another one on the other side, directly across from it. Perfect. And after that, this is actually really simple and really quick to make. So you can tell because I'm already almost done. And I've only done like 3 things to it. Then you put it on your doll and fold the top down like this. See that? So you fold the top down like that to make the little fold line right there on the doll. And then that's your first dress. You can add a rubber band on the waistline like I said, but you don't have to do that. And next, because the outfit's not finished, if you were to look closer, there's actually this purse right here. Very cute. And there's also this hat here. That was all made out of the same sock. So for the hat, we're just going to cut off the red toe on this sock. There. Perfect little hat. Okay, put that aside. And then we're going to cut off this right here, but we're going to cut it all the way up. So, like this. And make sure when you're doing this, you don't accidentally cut it like here, because then it won't be a bag, it'll just be a thing. And then here's your little bag. See? And that's how you make that outfit. And I have a second outfit that I'm going to show you how to make today. This boy one. I did not make the pants that came with the boy. And it's for an 18-inch male doll. It is a little sweater. See? So, first step for making the sweater is, like the last one, cut off this part of the sock. There. Now we'll set that aside. This is it. Let's make sure it's the right size. That should work. So the second step is to cut armholes. Cut that armhole. Made that a little bit big, but it'll work. That armhole. Can't really see the armholes, but they're there. Next, we fold down the top to make that neckline that he has. Yeah, this one's green like the Grinch because I didn't have any more red ones like this. And then if you look, there's a belt right here. And this thing, and he actually has a hat too. I lost his. It's alright. So, to make his hat, it's the same as the girl's hat. Right here. Just cut off the toe, and there's that. Perfect. And then for his belt, you just take this, cut right across the end, and then there's the belt. There are 2 complete outfits, only made out of 2 socks. Perfect. Well, and here are what the dolls look like wearing them. Here is her hat. There we go. Here she is wearing it. And her purse is, this will work. This purse, here we go. Perfect. And here's the boy wearing his. This one, the sock I used had 2 colors. Found his hat. So it looks better than the green one, because it only had 1 color. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.